Hello, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to be doing new system test 2. There are some pretty big expansions in this video. Like normal, we have the MS-90 going to UDLS. We have the CO detector. We have now a Firelight BG12LX addressable pull station instead of the non-addressable one. And as you can see in here, all the monitor modules are gone. This one actually has a mini monitor module behind the carbon monoxide, and this obviously has a built-in monitor module. The AC power and the batteries are all the same. I have labels on everything. That's for the door holder. I think that was there last time. The time and date on the panel are not correct, but so most of the expansions in the system test are actually downstairs. The only thing that changed up here is that I did take my door holder down so I could paint it, so that's probably going to be back up in the next system test. Ooh, there are some modules. Alright, now let's go ahead and head downstairs and see what's different. Alright, so now we're down in the mechanical room. As you can see, there is a NBG12LX. This is the older one before Notifier was done by Honeywell. I actually got this to work on one of the new panels I'm getting, so this will be replaced with a BG12LX pretty soon. But yeah, that's there. Monitor module is no longer the power supply that used to be monitoring a BG12 here. CO detector is the same. Monitor module for it. If we go over the furnace, everything's the same on there. And I am working on furnace controls like last time. I just haven't had time to work on it. There is a Spectral Advance for the AV in here. And if we follow the conduit up here, there is an SD smoke just like normal, which will be replaced with an SD 355 or 365. And one change in here, the annunciator is gone. I can explain that one later. So let's go ahead and go out and see where the final change was. Alright, so now we're out in the garage. As you can see, there is an L series, just like normal. And here is the final expansion. Here is a Notifier NBG12LX addressable pull station here. And it's kind of blocked by some stuff right now, and there's conduit going up into the attic there. And I do need to buy some single hole straps for that. So I guess we can go ahead and start the test off for this. 3, 2, 1. And if you hear that annunciator, that's actually an LCD ADF up in the attic. I'm not going to go up there right now. Alright, so let's go ahead and head upstairs now. And there it is, all silenced. The L series on here, I actually think it sets a high volume for some reason. It has no tape on it, so it's very loud. So yeah, I reset the pull station. As you can see, this point has not been labeled yet. Still have to do that. Go ahead and reset. Alright, so now we can go ahead, head downstairs, and test our last device. And as you probably could have guessed, we're going to go ahead and pull the NBG12LX. 3, 2, 1. Oops. And there we go, well silenced. Looks like this point. Oh, there we go. The camera will focus. This point is programmed. It says mechanical room pull station. Go ahead and reset. And I'm sorry this video is so short, but that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.